Struggling to attract potential clients to your fitness business? A lead magnet might be just what you need. Hey, I'm Andrew Wallis, and in this video I'm going to show you how to develop an irresistible lead magnet that draws in potential clients and ultimately helps you grow your email list. A lead magnet is a valuable piece of content that you offer to your potential clients in exchange for their contact information. It's a powerful tool for building your email list and attracting high quality leads who are interested in your services. To create an effective lead magnet, you need to understand your audience's needs as well as their pain points. Things such as what problems are they facing, what information or solutions are they looking for. Knowing this will help you create a lead magnet that not only resonates with them, but provides them with real value. Here are some effective lead magnets for personal trainers. Ebooks and guides. These are detailed resources on fitness topics. Workout plans, sample workout routines of course. Meal plans, nutrition guides tailored to their specific goals. Free trials or consultations. I'm a big fan of offering a free session or a consultation. Challenges, 7-day fitness challenges or similar programs. Choose a type that best fits your audience as well as your expertise. Creating your lead magnet involves several steps. First off, content creation. Write valuable and actionable content. Secondly, design. Use professional design tools or hire a designer to make it visually appealing. Thirdly, packaging. Make sure it's easy to access and easy to download. Fourth, keep it simple, clear and focused on delivering value. Once your lead magnet is ready, make sure you promote it across all your social media channels. Website, feature it prominently on your homepage and relevant blog posts. On your social media, share posts and stories highlighting the benefits that your lead magnet provides. In person, mention it to clients as well as prospects during sessions and whilst you attend networking events. Make sure to use compelling calls to action to encourage those much needed signups. After someone downloads your lead magnet, it's absolutely crucial to follow up with them. To do this, use automated email sequences that help you nurture those leads. I always recommend starting with a welcome email, then send a series of emails, perhaps 3 to 5 in that sequence that provide more value, build trust and gradually introduce your services. This keeps you top of mind and moves those prospects closer to becoming a client. By developing a valuable lead magnet, you'll be able to attract potential clients and grow your list effectively. If you need help creating your lead magnet or if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I'm here as always to help you succeed. And remember, a great lead magnet not only attracts leads, but also demonstrates the expertise and value you bring to the table. So start creating yours today. Thanks as always for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more of my videos. And on that note, in the next video, we'll explore how to craft a sales funnel that converts leads into clients. Until then, keep pushing forward and stay committed to your growth. See you in the next video.